everyone.
Hello!
Welcome back to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
I'm Eric.
And I'm Joy.
Today we're gonna go to the Lusail firing range.
Yes, this is my first time to hold pistol.
Yeah, she's gonna learn how to shoot a gun today. It ought to be loads of fun.
Yes, let's go. Now,
Yep.
we're heading to Lusail Shooting Range. Where is that place?
It's in Lusail, past where you work at Venda Mall. Yeah. Just remember when we're there, you listen to everything they say when they're telling you instructions and stuff. Be safe, okay?
Okay.
But we'll have fun, all right?
Yes. This is my first time, guys.
Yeah, she's never done this one, so.
Let's see how it goes. I want to do skeet shooting, but it's too windy in here.
Yeah.
So maybe we were gonna do pistol instead.
Pistol.
Yeah, it's 100
Qatari Rial.
125 Qatari Riyal.
For 25 shots.
Yes, 25 shots for pistol, right?
Yep. They also have shotguns there for the skeet shooting, but we called ahead, and because it's so windy today, they can't do the skeet shooting because obviously the skeets would be all over. And then they have rifle too for target practice. So, but she wants to do the pistols, so and I think she'll have the most fun with the pistols. So we're gonna go shoot pistols.
Yes. Because when I was, in college, I really want to be a criminologist. But my height, of course, I'm too short.
See, in the U.S. you wouldn't be. You could be a police officer in the U.S. There's no height limit in the U.S. Not for that one.
Here, in the Philippines, there's a height limit, I think. Yes. So Eric is.
Yeah, she's wanted to do this for a long time, but last time we came out here, we drove all the way out, and it was closed because it was around COVID time still, and they closed it down for a while. They were redoing construction on it, so now we know it's open. We got a hold of the lady yesterday and talked to her, so we'll actually be able to get to do it this time.
I hope so.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, she told me it was walk-in only, no reservations needed.
Yeah. And you were gonna pay card, no cash allowed.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Here they take your ID.
Yeah.
Your Qatari ID. When you come inside, you should bring your Qatari ID because they won't gonna let you in.
Right.
Andito na kami, guys, at sobrang mahal.
We're here. We just gotta find where the actual pistol range is now. We found the skeet shooting, but we gotta find the pistol range building.
Nag-indoor lang kami kasi sobrang mahal.
So we're finding our way.
Indoor, there's indoor and outdoor. Sobrang mahal siya, guys. Tapos baka masayang.
Let's both do the 20 rounds? Or?
Yeah.
Take two books for one. Okay,
Wait.
you have stamp. I give you 100 and give some.
Okay.
No trouble.
Eric got a discount.
I think that's their normal discount.
Oh, you know
why?
Patient.
Yeah, they don't shake.
We are like.
Yeah, put your hand out.
I know.
Normally we have a normal tendency to shake. Pistols. Now we're gonna go do the rifle shooting. I ought to be better at this one. This one I've got a little experience on.
Show them your shoot.
Not so great on this one.
See? She shoot 9. and 7. Now we're gonna do
Rifle.
rifle.
Yeah, I figured those were 22 caliber. Did you have fun though, love? You like it? Okay. Yeah, we're getting ready to shoot now. So he's gonna give me the safety course, and then we're gonna see if I can hit them targets down there, huh?
Yeah. Here's you're gonna see here.
Yeah, that'll show you if you're hitting. Yeah. Not the style, but I fired a rifle. Target is 67. 67. Oh, almost dead. Almost. Oh no, I'm way up into the left now. Almost jerked.
Na-shoot niya yung 3 pump.
Almost jerked.
We're done.
We had loads of fun, and as I suspected, her being a girl, she has less shake in her hand, so she was pretty good. She had a nice tight shot group, so. And for 175 real, because if you come with 2 people, it's 100 real for 20 bullets, but if you come with 2 people, you get a discount automatically.
Yeah.
So it was 175 real. So we each got 20 bullets, and we split ours. We split half between the pistol and half between the rifle. Loads of fun. We'll definitely come do it again.
Fun.
People here were super nice, accommodating.
But for me, as a first time, I felt scared.
Yeah, she was a little scared with the pistol, but I think she got a lot more comfortable with the rifle
that.
because she got pretty good at in the end. So, and
This is for Eric. This is Eric shoot.
next time with the pistol, I don't think she'll be as nervous now. I think she was
I
worried it was
like
gonna
more
kick.
the rifle
Oh,
one. It's soft
Yeah,
and
you felt more comfortable with the rifle. But everybody, if you're in Qatar, this is one more thing to do in Qatar. Come to the Lusail Shooting Club. Loads of fun here, lots to do.
super fun.
The people were super accommodating.
Yeah,
They
they're
helped to
Qatari.
teach her well. You guys will have a
Professional.
blast.
They're professional.
And it's cheap. It's another
super
thing
cheap.
here. It's super cheap to do. I mean,
It's 175 and they give us discount
Yeah.
and 5 bullets free.
yeah. So another great thing to do in Qatar. And thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notifications to stay up with new content. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you, everyone. Good night.